Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Manhattan progression. Now this is a more advanced version of a Manhattan basic, and the simple thing is you really need to have learned a Manhattan basic before you try and do this. Link in the description below so you can make sure that's ready and in your arsenal before we head into this kind of territory. So Manhattan progression, you could go as far as you like in a Manhattan progression because it's one of those things that you can go on and on and on and on. However, we have limited space, so we're going to do one full set and the entrance and exit. But obviously you could do more sets in the middle if you wanted to. Looks like this. Go 7 and 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's break it down. Manhattan progression. So it starts exactly like a standard Manhattan basic. We go back, we come in, we go forwards, and we do a turn. So we're going to go turn, turn, forwards, and this is where it changes. We replace, we go back. So standard Manhattan footwork at this point, and now the guys go back on the right, ladies forwards on the left. So we go back, and now we effectively do what we did in the first section of this, but with the lady roughly where the guy was and the guy roughly where the lady was. So we're going to send the lady to step back and to her left, so that's out to our right, guys, and we step right foot in the middle, guys. We carry on down the line, rotating to the right, stepping onto the left, so we bring the lady with us, and now we continue to rotate and we go back on the right. Back and replace, so you're back into your Manhattan footwork. Forwards with the left, and we can redo the first sequence again. Forwards and turn, turn, forwards and back. And now you could carry on the sequence, but we're just going to do an ending, so we're now going to send the lady into a twist out and ourselves into one. Preparation, and finish that first move position off. So let's do that again. We'll do it from this side, and we'll talk some numbers at the same time. So we're going to go back 1, in, 2, twist towards the lady, 3, turning, 4, going forwards, 5, replacing back, 6, we go back, 7, we turn on 8, 2 steps, keep turning, go back, 1, replacing 2. We go forwards 3, turning 4, forwards 5, replacing 6, twist out 7, in 8, turning 1, facing 2, returning 3, and back 4. Okay, we've got everything we need to know. So let's try it. Here we go. I think we've got just enough space. 5, 6, Manhattan progression. We go back, in, forwards, turn, turn, forwards and back, back, turn, turn, back and forwards, forwards, turn, turn, forwards and back, twist, twist, turn, face, return and back. And there you have it, Manhattan progression. Hope you enjoy it. If you've got a big open space, keep going a few cycles through and it will become much more natural because you'll get time to kind of get into the feel of it as opposed to doing just a little short version like we did here. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. I mean, if you've liked what we're doing, do subscribe. It helps promote the channel, and obviously the better the channel does, the more incentive we have to come up and bring stuff out for everybody. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.